welcome back to your maths class. So kids, yesterday we have started a new topic, that is addition of length. So when we add two values given in meter, centimeter, kilometer, millimeter, है ना, when we add two unit given in that, we call that addition of length. Okay, we call that addition of length. Now, okay, see what happened. So let us understand this with the help of example. So yesterday I have explained you addition. First I have explained you basic addition, because that is what we need to do in length also. In this chapter also that is what required, addition of. पहले अगर हमें addition आएगा then only we can do the addition of length. Okay, let us see. Now suppose this is your home. Suppose this is your home. This is your playground and this is your school. Okay, this is your home. This is your playground. And this is your school. Home, playground, school. Now, so they are some distances away from each other. What happened? Home, playground and school, they are some distances away from each other. That means, what I mean to say is that your home is, that your playground is 440 meter away from your home. Your playground is 40 meter away from your home. Let me write this in larger number so it will be visible in a more better way. 40 meter. That means distance between your home to playground is 40 meter. Okay. Now the distance between your playground to your school. Your playground to your school is 100 meters. Now distance between your home to playground is 40 meters and distance between your playground to your school is 100 meters. Now, what is the total distance between your home to your school? If they fall in a straight line, what is the total distance of your home to your school? What we will do here? So I have used word total. So what I will do? I will add. Okay. So distance between home to playground is 40 meter and distance between playground to school is 100 meter. Now what I will do? I will add these two numbers. 100 plus 40 I will get 140 meter. 100 plus 40 I will get 140 meters. Okay. Okay. Now let us move ahead. Yes, I am going to let us understand this with the help of one more example. Okay. So our next example is, see, this is your home. This is your home. So this is your home and this is market. Okay, so to reach market, what you have done, you have covered some distances with the help of bus and then with a cab. What happened, आपको होम से, अपने घर से मार्केट तक जाना था, तो सबसे पहले आपने एक बस लिया क्योंकि मार्केट बहुत दूर था. तो सबसे पहले आपने एक बस लिया एंड उसके बाद आपने क्या किया, आफ्टर टेकिंग बस, व्हाट यू हैव डन, आफ्टर टेकिंग बस, after completing some distance with the help of bus, you have taken a cab to cover the rest of the distance. So suppose up to here, up to this point, you have gone by bus and from here you have taken a cab. अब कैब से आप मार्केट तक गए. नाउ बस से आपने 4 किलोमीटर की डिस्टेंस तय की. ठीक है, बस से आप 4 किलोमीटर की डिस्टेंस तय किए. नाउ विद द हेल्प ऑफ योर कैब की हेल्प से आपने क्या किया, 8 किलोमीटर की डिस्टेंस तय की. सो व्हाट इज द टोटल डिस्टेंस बिटवीन योर होम एंड मार्केट? सो what is the total distance between your home and market? See what happened. देखो फिर से इस क्वेश्चन को समझते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल what happened, first of all you have covered, आपने कुछ दूरी आपने क्या किया, आपने बस से आपने कवर किया फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट. चलो इस पॉइंट का नेम रख देते हैं बी. आपने पॉइंट बी तक बस से कवर किया जो कि था 4 किलोमीटर. तो आपने 4 किलोमीटर बस से ट्रैवल किया. देन आपने क्या किया, कैब ले लिया. आपने कैब ले लिया और कैब से आप 8 किलोमीटर तक ट्रैवल किए. तो व्हाट इज द टोटल डिस्टेंस बिटवीन योर होम एंड मार्केट? सो जब हमने क्वेश्चन में टोटल यूज किया, सो व्हाट वी विल डू हियर, इफ आई हैव यूज्ड वर्ड टोटल हियर, सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, वी हैव टू ऐड हियर, है ना. व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू ऐड द बोथ द लेंथ. सी, so what we will do, here we will add 8 kilometer, that is distance covered by cab, plus 4 kilometer. 4 kilometer is what, distance covered by bus. Now we will add these two. 8 kilometer plus 4 kilometer, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 kilometer. 12 kilometer is our answer. So the total distance covered, or the total distance between your home and to the market is 12 kilometer. Total distance covered is 12 kilometer. 12 kilometer is the total distance. Okay, now let us move toward the next question. See, next question. Now, suppose you want to go to Australia. Yes? Now, see. planning for a foreign trip and you have decided to go to Australia. Okay? तो भाई अब ऑस्ट्रेलिया हम कैसे जाएंगे? We'll go Australia with the help of a cab or a bus or with the help of an aeroplane or a train. Tell me, we will go Australia with what? We will go Australia, we will cover the longer distances with what? We will cover the longer distances with the help of aeroplane, right? If we have to go overseas, or if I want to go, if I want to travel long distances, I'll travel with the help of, I will travel with the help of aeroplane. Now see. So you want to go to Australia. So before going to Australia, you can't go direct to Australia with your from your home only. You have to go to the airport first. So see, this is your home. Your home. Okay. This is your home. This is airport. This is airport, and this is Sydney, Australia. This is Sydney. Okay. So first you will go to the airport. Now you have booked a cab. तो आप अपने घर से एयरपोर्ट तक गए with the help of a cab, and the distance between your home to the airport is 12 kilometer. Okay? So the distance between your home to एयरपोर्ट इज 12 किलोमीटर. व्हाट हैपन, जनरली क्या होता है, एयरपोर्ट्स वगैरह जो होते हैं ना, वो आउटर एरियाज में, सिटीज के आउटर एरियाज में बनाए जाते हैं. ओके. Okay. Let us see. Now, so the distance between your home to airport is 12 kilometer. Now you have reached the airport. आप क्या हुए, आप एयरपोर्ट पे बैठ गए. You have boarded a एरोप्लेन. आप एक एरोप्लेन पे अभी आप अपनी सीट ले चुके हैं. Now you are all set to go to Sydney. Now the distance between your airport to Sydney is 9,747 kilometer. 9,747 kilometer. So this distance you have covered with the help of a aeroplane. This distance you have covered with the help of a aeroplane. See, फिर से समझो, अपने घर से आप एयरपोर्ट गए 12 किलोमीटर, एंड देन एयरपोर्ट से आप सिडनी गए 9,747 kilometers. So what is the total distance covered by you? Now, so our question is, what is the total distance covered by you? This is our airport. What we will do, we will add कैब से जितनी डिस्टेंस कवर की और जितनी डिस्टेंस हमने एरोप्लेन से कवर की, दोनों को हम क्या करेंगे, वी विल ऐड दीज टू थिंग्स. तो कैब से हमने कवर किया था 12 किलोमीटर एंड हमने एरोप्लेन से कवर किया था 9,747 किलोमीटर. सो वी हैव रिटन द नंबर एंड उसके बगल में हमने क्या लिखा, यूनिट. वी हैव रिटन द यूनिट एंड देयर वी विल ऐड 12 किलोमीटर. हमने कितना डिस्टेंस कैब से कवर किया था, 12 किलोमीटर. ओके. नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल ऐड दीज टू गिवन थिंग्स. ठीक है. तो व्हाट वी विल डू, हम यहाँ पे इन दोनों को क्या करेंगे, वी विल ऐड. ओके. नाउ 7 + 2 7 plus 2, 9. Now, 4, 1, 5, 7, 9. 9,759. 9,759 is the total distance covered by you. 9,759 is the total distance covered by you. Okay. So, total distance covered is 9,759. Okay. So, I hope now you all have understand where, when and why we add the distances. हम distances को क्यों add करते हैं? I hope आपको ये समझ में आ गया होगा. Now let us do some questions. Okay? Let us do some real questions. So my first question is, the first question that I am going to give you is, add 126 kilometer, 245 kilometer and 12 kilometer. Now come on, add these units. Come on, add these units. 126 kilometer, 245 kilometer and 12 kilometer. Add these units. Come on, add these two. First you have to arrange it. Don't forget to arrange them. You have to arrange them. Okay? Don't do direct solution. Don't forget to add. Okay. Let us do. So first we will write 126 kilometer. In that we will add 245 kilometer and finally we will add 12 kilometer. Now in addition of length, don't forget to mention the unit. That means don't forget to mention the kilometer, meter, centimeter or whatever you are doing. Okay now. So we will start from this place, then this and then we will move towards the 100 place. Now here we are having 6 plus 5. Here we are having 6 plus 5 plus 2. Okay. So let me show you here. At one place we are having 6 plus 5 plus 2. Now 6 plus 5, 11. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 2 is 12, 13. 11 plus 2 is 13. For 13 we will write 3 here and we'll write 1 at the top. Now, next we are having at 10th place we are having 2 plus 4 plus 1 and plus 1 carry. So we'll get 2 plus 4 6, 1 7 and 1 8. Okay. Now here we are having 1 plus 2 only. At 100 place we are having 1 and plus 2. So 2 plus 1 we will get 2 plus 1 we will get 3. Okay. Oh. 383 kilometers. 383 kilometer. Okay, so this is what, this is our answer. So what we have done, this was a very simple question. हमने खाली क्या किया, like a normal addition we have just added the value. हमने खाली normal addition की तरह हमने क्या किया, values को add कर दिया. Okay, now moving toward the next question. Okay, now moving toward the next question. So the next question is, add 543 kilometer to 87 kilometer and 124 kilometer. Now come on, solve this question. Solve this question yourself. First, arrange these numbers in column and then add. Start from the rightmost place and then add 543 kilometer, 287 kilometer and 124 kilometer. Come on, add them. Okay, let us see. So first we will write the number. Say 543 kilometer. We will add it to 287 kilometer. Then 124 kilometer. Okay. अब इन थ्री नंबर को हमने क्या करना है, ऐड कर लेना है. Come on. Start addition. So we will start it from ones place. Yeah, from this place. So at this place we are having 3 plus 7 plus 4. 3 plus 7 plus 4. At this place we are having 3 plus 7 plus 4. Now 3 plus 7 will get 10 and 10 plus 4 will get 14. Okay. Now next we are having, for 14 we will write 4 and will give carry 1 here. Now moving toward the next place. At this place we are having 4 plus 8 plus 2 and plus 1. 4 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1. Now let us add these two. 8 plus 2 10 plus 4 14 and plus 1 carry 15. So we will write 15 and for 15 we will write only 5 here and we will give carry 1 here. Now next we are having 5 plus 2 plus 1. 5 plus 2 plus 1 and plus 1 carry. Now 5 2 7 1 8 1 9. So our answer is 954 kilometer. 954 kilometer. This is what? This is our answer. Come on, note it down. Okay. Moving toward the next question, let us do the next question. Now next we are having add two 84 centimeter, 125 centimeter and 311 centimeter. Now add these two, add these three values. They are given in centimeter. Come on, add them. So you are having 284 centimeter, 125 centimeter and the next one is 311 centimeter. Add them. Okay. Now let us do the question. 284 centimeter. So we will arrange them first. 284 centimeter, 125 centimeter and 311 centimeter. We will add them together. Let us add them together. So we are having here at unit place we are having 4 plus 5 plus 1. So let us see 4 plus 5 plus 1. 4 plus 5 9, 9 1 10. So we will write 10 and for 10 we will write 0 here and we will give carry 1. Now next is 8 plus 2 plus 1 and plus 1 carry. 8 plus 2 10, 1 11 and 1 12. So we will write 12. For 12 we will write 2 here and we will give carry 1. Now 2, 1, 3. Let me write here. 2, 1, 3, 3, 6, 1, 7. Now 7 plus 1. See, I have already added carry here. 3, 2, 5, 1, 6 and 1 carry 7. So our answer is 720 centimeter. So our answer is 720 centimeter. Now, if I ask you to convert this into meter, then what you will do? If I ask you to convert this into meter, what you have to do? You have to make two heading first. है ना? सबसे पहले आप क्या करोगे? First heading you will make will be of meter and second will be you will make of centimeter. इतना कर लिया. Now what next? Now we will take two finger. See 720 centimeter. So we will start from right. हम क्या करेंगे? इस 20 को we will separate from the rest of the number. 20 को what we will do? This 20 को we will separate from rest of the number. Okay now. So see 20 we will write in centimeter column and this number separated 7 we will write in meter. So our converted answer is 7 meter and 20 centimeter. Our answer is 7 meter and 20 centimeter. Now kids, one more thing. So today we have seen addition with examples also. है ना? Tomorrow also we will continue with the same topic. Okay.